Let's talk about Gaggia HD874901 Naviglio coffee machine, 1850W, 15 bar, black. Removable Gaggia brew unit. ABS plastic body. Pannarello Frother. Ceramic grinder to retain the purity of the coffee aromas. LED interface with buttons. Coffee beans container capacity 300 grams. Fantastic coffee, easy to maintain, actually pretty cheap per cup if you don't count the initial investment. I should warn potential buyers that you will need to shell out for descaling solution every few months at 8 per pop. However, I'd be very surprised if it needs to be used as often as the machine requests. I find the fact that once turned off the power button flashes constantly a little irritating. Also, I thought that for $350 it was a bit cheap to not include a milk jug, chocolate powered sprinkler, etc. Bottom line, this is a great machine and I highly recommend it. Bought this Gaggia bean to cup coffee machine to replace a DeLonghi which just stopped working. Although I've only had this a couple of weeks, I think it is excellent so far, and I certainly have had plenty of use out of it in this short time. I would thoroughly recommend this product and hope it will last a long time to come. We were really impressed with the specification for this item, but sadly it did not deliver. It uses a lot of water for the cleaning process. We also found that water was leaking into the tray from inside the machine but could not figure out where. After a couple of days the frothier appeared to fail also. We managed to get this to work, but then steam was just billowing out of the vents on the side. We tried all the troubleshooting guides because having looked online there is nothing on the market similar unless you spend another $300, but eventually had to return it. We did receive an exact replacement but found after 3 weeks the same thing happened to it, which has now also been returned.